Hello viewers. Are you looking for the top 5 best 4K mirror dash cams in 2024? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 4K mirror dash cams in 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Wolfbox G840S 12-inch IPS dash camera 4K Rearview dashcam GPS video recorder night vision HD dual cameras car DVR parking monitor. The Wolfbox G840S 12-inch IPS dash camera is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance your driving experience with its array of high-tech features. This dash cam boasts a 4K resolution, ensuring that every detail on the road is captured with crystal clarity. Its 12-inch IPS touchscreen provides a clear and vibrant display, making it easy to review footage or adjust settings on the go. Equipped with dual cameras, the G840S records both front and rear views simultaneously, providing comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. The front camera captures video in stunning 4K, while the rear camera records in full HD, ensuring all angles are covered. This feature is particularly useful for parking, as the rear camera helps in avoiding obstacles and provides a clear view during reversing. The dashcam also includes a GPS module, allowing you to track your vehicle's location and speed, which can be crucial in case of accidents or for reviewing routes. Its advanced night vision capability ensures that you get clear footage even in low light conditions, enhancing your safety during nighttime driving. Additionally, the parking monitor function provides 24/7 surveillance, recording any incidents or impacts while your car is parked. With the Wolfbox G840S, you can drive with confidence, knowing that every journey is recorded in exceptional detail. Number 2. Dashcam 4K 2160p car DVR CarPlay&Android Auto Stream Review Mirror GPS 5G Wi-Fi FM radio auxiliary dashcam car camera drive recorder. Upgrade your driving experience with the dashcam 4K 2160p car DVR. This cutting-edge device offers superior video quality, capturing every detail with its 4K Ultra HD resolution. Equipped with CarPlay and Android Auto, it seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, providing access to navigation, music, and calls directly on its interface. The Stream Review mirror enhances safety by providing a clear, real-time view of the road behind you. With built-in GPS, you can track your routes and driving data effortlessly. The 5G Wi-Fi ensures fast, stable internet connectivity, while the FM radio and auxiliary input offer versatile entertainment options. The dashcam also features a dual camera system for comprehensive recording of both front and rear views. Whether you're commuting or on a road trip, this advanced dashcam provides unparalleled functionality and convenience, ensuring you capture every moment on the road with clarity and ease. Number 3. 10-inch rear view mirror 4K dashcam for cars wireless CarPlay Android Auto Wi-Fi touchscreens car DVR dual lens car accessory. The 10-inch rear view mirror 4K dashcam is a cutting-edge car accessory designed to enhance your driving experience. Featuring a 10-inch touchscreen, this dashcam integrates seamlessly with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, providing hands-free control and connectivity. The 4K resolution ensures crystal clear video recording, capturing every detail on the road. Equipped with dual lenses, it records both front and rear views simultaneously, offering comprehensive coverage for added security. Built-in Wi-Fi allows easy access to footage via your smartphone, making it simple to review and share videos. This versatile device also functions as a Rearview mirror, maintaining a sleek and unobtrusive appearance in your car. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, the 10-inch rear-view mirror 4K dashcam is an essential addition for any modern driver, enhancing safety and convenience on every journey. Number 4. PORMIDO Triple Mirror Dashcam 12-inch with detached front and in-car camera. The PORMIDO Triple Mirror Dashcam 12-inch offers a comprehensive solution for vehicle surveillance, enhancing safety and security on the road. This advanced dashcam features a large 12-inch touchscreen display, providing a clear and expansive view of the surroundings. It includes a detached front camera and an in-car camera, ensuring complete coverage of both the exterior and interior of the vehicle. The front camera delivers high-definition footage, capturing crucial details, while the in-car camera monitors activities inside the vehicle. With its innovative design, the PORMIDO triple-mirror dashcam seamlessly integrates into the rearview mirror, maintaining a sleek and unobtrusive appearance. The system supports features like loop recording, G-sensor for automatic incident detection, and parking monitoring for added peace of mind. Easy to install and user-friendly, this dashcam is an essential tool for drivers seeking to enhance their driving experience and ensure comprehensive protection. Number 5. ACCEO 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam 12-inch Car DVR Rearview Mirror Recorder Dashcam Support 1080p Sony Black Box Rearview Camera Accessories. The ACCEO 4K Wi-Fi Dashcam is a top-of-the-line 12-inch car DVR rearview mirror recorder designed to enhance your driving experience. This dashcam supports 1080p resolution, utilizing a high-quality Sony sensor for crystal-clear footage. Its sleek, integrated rearview mirror design ensures it blends seamlessly into your vehicle's interior while providing a modern touch. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, the ACCEO dashcam allows for easy video transfer and real-time viewing on your smartphone. The rearview camera adds an extra layer of safety, making reversing and parking a breeze. This versatile device is perfect for capturing detailed evidence in case of accidents, improving your driving safety, and providing peace of mind. Additionally, the black box feature ensures that your recordings are securely stored. With its high resolution, reliable performance, and easy installation, the ACCEO 4K Wi-Fi dashcam is a must-have accessory for any car owner.